Well, we came back into Florida October 1st, got all set up, and lo and behold, here comes Hurricane Milton. And after discussing it, we decided we're going to bail out and go back up to Georgia, take the trailer, and off we went. So we didn't take a lot of film on the way up to High Falls State Park, which was in Georgia, just south of Atlanta, and got all set up there. And the weather was great the whole time.
Yeah, here's the falls down there. You got lots of trees in the way. Yeah, there's the falls. Okay, here we are, Falls of the Tolaliga, cascading over the bedrock of High Falls granite. Yeah, you got falls right here on the top, and you got the dam over here on this side. Nothing like a good rushing river down the rocks. Now here's the old powerhouse, and we'll go up here and see what it has to say about it. High Falls Power Plant, tapping the energy of the river. Okay, in 1890 they started building it, and Georgia Hydroelectric Company purchases the dam and powerhouse, which they complete into operation in 1905. After several years of operation, the plant is transferred to Georgia Power Company, which operates until 1958. So that was from 1930 to 1958. Okay, in 1961, the Georgia Power Company turns the property over to the Hiawassee Timber Company. The Bowyer's Southern Paper Corporation donates 650 acres lake and adjoining lands to Georgia Fish and Game Commission. In 1966, ownership of the 1,050 acres is transferred to the state of Georgia and becomes High Falls State Park. Yeah, you've got a cul-de-sac here. You've got camping sites here. We're back over here. And you got restrooms here. And a laundry. You've got water and electric only. They have a dump station, which I'll have that filmed. Our site was a little bit of a slope. As you can see, the back end's real high and the front end's real low to get level. They come with the picnic bench and a fire pit, which this is a campsite I'm walking in here. And you got a place you can hang a lantern or a light or something on that you want. It's a nice little campsite, set up pretty good. We got something wild growing here, some kind of a watermelon or squash or something. But it's a nice nice site.
We were able to have dinner with Brenda's sister and brother-in-law one night, and had a great time with them. And then we only were there 3 days, and then we headed back to Florida, and you can see there's trees down, and we tore a lot of trees down. It wasn't too bad getting back, but took a lot of power lines out. So we get to Oak Alley and got back, and
Well, here we are out in Oak Alley. We got here yesterday. No power. We do have water. And it's working out. Sun's getting ready to come out. We got a couple of people with generators. We've got solar power, which is running the fridge, and we watched TV for about 4 hours last night. We're still at 12.9 on the batteries, and the sun will be up in a little bit. We'll see if it pulls it back up. If not, I've got a generator in the back, and we'll hook that up and charge the batteries back up. Hopefully we get power today.